Well, this is a sneak peek of HB4. And first I'll show you the motor mount. There's the motor mount. 7 grams. 6 grams I think with screws, or 7 grams. So that's the motor mount. And here is the breakthrough. HB3 is sporting carbon fiber rod arms. TIG welded bottom section with arms clamped in with 2 bolts on each one. So 2 bolts, 8 bolts, and you can take all the arms off. Perfect alignment, and rubber fabric wound hose as an insulator between the body, which this will be on rubber, and the actual motor mount. So you'll have a motor mount here, say, and it'll be adjustable, and I'll be able to extend it to a 500mm arm, or bring it down to 400 or 300 even, with smaller motors. And at 500, I hope you can see this, my paint covered hands. At 500 we have tons of clearance. We have almost 3 inches of clearance still, so we could go to 13 or 14 props even on this quadcopter. And these are arrow shafts, carbon fiber arrow shafts, a little better quality than eBay carbon fiber. And battery will go on this level here, and then above that will be the controller. And that's HB4 preview. And this is only 40 grams. This part here, 70-75 aluminum, 40 grams, another 20. With the arms, it's only about another 5, and the motor mount another 6 times 3 or 4. So the frame should be completely under 150 grams, 160 grams, and that's with motor mounts and all the mounting areas.